Hi everyone, and welcome to Pressamax Shaft Machining Facility. Today, we'll look at how a high-precision hydraulic cylinder is made. First, we machine the piston. The piston plays a vital role in the whole assembly, so it demands a lot from both the operator and the machine. Every cut affects the piston's final precision. Next, we machine the piston rod. A smooth round steel bar is placed on the lathe. Then the machine starts cutting. While it's machining, cutting fluid is sprayed on to lubricate and cool the part. To get the best result, we measure it several times during machining to make sure it's accurate. Next, we machine the cylinder base. The base is then welded to the cylinder body. To ensure high quality, the welder also needs a high level of skill. After welding, the piston rod threads are cleaned and deburred and coated with lubricating oil. Then the piston is joined to the rod. Next, the tie rods are connected to the top cover. The cylinder body is placed over the rodless end cap, and the piston rod is inserted. Next, the dust seal and guide bushing are fitted into the piston. Then the top cover and base are joined with tie rods and the nuts are tightened. And the assembly is complete. Next, our team runs it through testing. After testing, it goes to the paint shop. Here, it's given a brand new color, and just like that, a high-precision hydraulic cylinder is finished.